In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering advanced formatting in Microsoft Word, styles, layout, and dynamic fields. If you've ever wrestled with inconsistent fonts, drifting images, or pages that just won't behave, this walkthrough will give you precise control over structure, consistency, and presentation, without tedious manual tweaking. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start with the foundation of consistency, styles and themes. Head to the Home tab and open the Styles pane. Create a new style for any recurring element, maybe a distinctive block quote, a figure caption, or a specific interview question. Once a style is defined, you simply apply it to content, and every instance looks identical. This makes global changes effortless. Adjust the style once, and your whole document updates. It's the single best way to avoid one-off formatting that breaks over time. When things look off and you can't tell why, use the Style Inspector in the Styles pane. Click the Reveal Formatting link at the bottom to see exactly which fonts, paragraph settings, and effects are applied. This is your X-ray view for stripping away unwanted manual formatting and returning text to clean, style-based control. Pair that with the Design tab's themes, and you can rebrand an entire document, fonts, colors, and effects in one click, as long as you've used built-in styles like Heading 1 and Normal. For pixel-perfect layout, section breaks are essential. In Layout, choose Breaks, then Next Page or Continuous to split a document into sections with different margins, orientation, headers and footers, or column counts. This is how you mix a landscape table into an otherwise portrait document without affecting the rest. For complex layouts like newsletters, insert a text box and, in the Shape Format tab, set absolute horizontal and vertical positions relative to the page or margins. Turn on guides or grid lines from the View tab to align floating objects with precision. And if you're preparing for print, open custom margins and add a gutter so binding doesn't eat into your content. Finally, automate what changes frequently. If your headings use the proper styles, generate a professional table of contents from references, and right-click to update field whenever content shifts. Add bookmarks to important spots, then insert cross-references to page or heading numbers that update automatically as text moves. And when pulling in data from Excel, use Paste Special with Paste Link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object so your Word document updates when the source spreadsheet changes. Keep linked files organized to avoid broken connections. Master these tools, and Word becomes fast, consistent, and remarkably precise. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.